The former Highland County deputy charged with reckless homicide is underway. Jonathan Malone is accused of shooting and killing a Hillsboro man last year. WCPO 9 News reporter Valerie Lyons is live outside the Highland County Common Pleas Courthouse. Valerie, we heard from a few witnesses today, and boy, does that sound loud where you are right now.
Yeah, there's been a lot of emergency vehicles going around today, but I can tell you that the people who took the stand today, they were fellow law enforcement, sheriff's deputies rather, involved in the pursuit that night. Now, former deputy Jonathan Malone did not intentionally shoot and kill the victim. Neither side is arguing that here, but the question the jury does need to answer is if Malone's actions, the way he handled the situation that night, recklessly caused the man's death.
It was like nothing I've ever heard before.
Sergeant Stephen Alexander recounts the sound of a gunshot, a single round killing 58-year-old Richard Poulin in Hillsboro last year.
Sergeant Malone had told me that he had no idea what had happened, that he had not pulled the trigger.
Alexander took the stand Monday, the first of nearly a dozen witnesses in the trial of Jonathan Malone, the former Highland County Sheriff's deputy charged in Poulin's death. In the early morning of July 17, 2022, police allege 58-year-old Poulin refused to pull over for a traffic stop, leading officers on a 13-minute pursuit. Police claimed after Poulin continued to refuse commands, Malone joined other officers in attempting to get Poulin out of his car. While breaking the driver's side window with the baton in his right hand, the gun in his left hand fired into Poulin's neck. Prosecutors say while Poulin was violating the law, he didn't have to die.
The state's position that defendant's conduct and the way he handled that situation was reckless and led to the death of Richard Poulin. Richard Poulin didn't need to die. Richard Poulin was not armed. None of the officers perceived a threat sufficient that they felt the need to use deadly force in self-defense.
Malone's attorney says while Poulin's death was a tragedy, Malone followed protocol.
The evidence is first not going to show that Sergeant Malone intended to shoot Mr. Poulin, and I don't think there's any question about this.
While cross-examining Alexander, the defense stressed the danger Poulin posed and justified Malone's actions.
So you knew you were going to have to remove him from that vehicle, probably?
Yes.
Okay, and you knew when you approached that vehicle he might be armed?
There was a possibility.
Okay, a distinct possibility.
Yes.
So the main focus really comes down to this for prosecutors. Was it protocol for Malone to be holding a baton and a gun at the same time? That's something the fellow deputies who took the stand say they've never done in training. Now, the state is still making its case, but we're told Jonathan Malone will be taking the stand later this week. For now, live in Hillsboro, Valerie Lyons, WCPO 9 News.